So why guys, our topic is all about the quadratic equation in one variable by the quadratic formula. So here are the example. If we start with the equation ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0, for a is greater than 0, and complete the square to solve for x in terms of the constants a, b, and c. The result is general formula for solving any quadratic equation. So, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ito isasolve. So, here are equation. So, take note, if we have a value of a, we need to divide both sides with a. So, we have cancel x squared plus b over ax plus c over a is equals to 0. So after that, we need to lipat this c over a. We considering it a constant, so x squared plus b over a x, so equals negative c over a. So after nyan, lilipat natin yung c over a sa kabilang side. So x squared plus b over ax is equals to negative c over a. So after that, we need to apply the completing the square method. So kuha natin yung value ng x. So b over a over natin sa 2, then squared natin. Squared. So equals b squared over 4a squared. So ito yung gagamitin natin para ipang-add natin sa both sides ng equation para magkaroon tayo ng perfect trinomial. So after that, we need to apply the completing the square method. So kunin natin yung value ng x. So b over a, i-over natin sa 2, then times 2. So equals b squared over 4a squared. So itong nakuha natin na to, ito yung gagamitin natin pang add sa both sides ng equation para magkaroon tayo ng perfect square trinomial. So pwede natin silang i-add both sides. So x squared plus b over a x plus b squared over 4a squared is equals to negative c over a plus b squared over 4a squared. So pag pinactor out natin yan, we have x plus b over 2a squared is equals negative c over a plus b squared over 4a squared. So we need to simplify the right side equation. So x plus b over 2a squared is equals to, kuha natin yung LCD, 4a squared. 4a squared divided by a is 4a times c, negative 4ac, plus 4a squared divided by 4a squared, 1b squared, b squared. So, na-simplify na natin yan. After na, rewrite natin x plus b over 2a squared is equals to b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. So after that, we need to square root both sides. So square root, then square root. So cancel here. So x plus b over 2a is equals to square root of b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. So after that, magiging x plus b over 2a is equals to positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac over 4a. So as we notice, pwede nating i-square root tong 4a squared. So magiging x plus b over 2a is equals to positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So dahil solve for x lang hinahanap natin, so iaalis natin tong p over 2a. So gagawin natin x is equals to, from positive magiging negative, negative b over 2a positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So lipat tayo dito. So kung napapansin nyo, magkamukha sila ng denominator. So pwede natin silang pag-isahin. So magiging x is equals to negative b positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So ito na yung magiging sagot natin.